YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Shoonnee and today I'm coming to you with another upscaling video. Again, another one of my very plain black shoes, and there is a shop at the top of my street called French Soul, and I was inspired to do these when I saw them. They've got loads of little like flat shoes like this, ballet palms, and they all either have like a kitty or butterfly or something on the front. So when I saw these butterfly motifs, I just thought, yeah, definitely that would look really nice on these, and it would just make them pop a little bit more. I want to see what these ones would look like, because obviously the classic gold black look nice, but sometimes it can look a bit slipperish on a flatter shoe like this. I actually have slippers quite similar in the motif, so I'm thinking something a little bit more like this. I'm thinking these might actually look a bit better, look a little bit look more shoe-like than these ones. I'm not sure. I like both of them. I'm not gonna lie, I do like this one better, but it's giving me slipper vibe. These are my house slippers, so you see like how they're quite similar, you know. Tailing on these butterflies are just a little bit better as well. I think even if they were kind of flying off my shoe, it might even look better that way, yes. Yeah, so I'm gonna do them like they are literally flying off my shoe, because I thought about bonging them in the middle, but that's just so everyday, bro. Let the gluing commence. So I'm just gonna be using my hot glue gun as always, and I'm gonna be applying as much glue as I need, so that will be up to the middle of the body. I'm just applying the glue up into the middle. So just push nice and firm and make sure that it's on there nice and snuggly bugglies. My son likes to say that. And that's the first shoe. I really like that actually, that's pretty cute if I say so myself. I'm kind of glad I went with the more neutral colours. It will go more with stuff in my wardrobe as well, like this colour instead of like all the gold and the bling and that. And this foot is my little crooked foot, so I've got to kind of straighten it out. Just want to make sure that, because those are, and again these patches were they were £1, sorry, all the patches were £1. They were £1 a pair, and these have just really made these flat plain shoes look a little bit more unique. It's not going to be something that you're going to be seeing everywhere. Not everyone's going to have a pair because you made them at home. This is my life now. Hot glue guns, diamante trims. You're gonna see more of this, my people. But I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed my video on how to quickly upscale your current wardrobe, and there'll be more to come. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!